Hey, it's Shelby with In. We are so excited to celebrate our 5th birthday with you. I'm putting together a quick tutorial on making your own cake in a mug in the microwave, one of my favorite college recipes. If you want to make your own to eat at our birthday party, that'd be super fun. You could share with us on Facebook or Instagram the cake you end up with. So here we go. All right, first you're going to need 1/4 cup and a mug. So you've got your mug. If you've got lots to choose from, pick kind of a bigger mug maybe. You need flour. So it is 1/4 cup flour. Put it right into your mug. Next, you need sugar. You're going to do that one's not the sugar. Sugar. You've got 1/4 cup sugar. Put that right in your milk or in your mug. Now you need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is for a chocolate mug cake. Okay, I've got my 2 tablespoons of that. And 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Got my baking soda. Get 1/4 teaspoon. You'll also need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put that in. Okay, now that we have our dry ingredients, I'm going to take a fork and just get all the dry ingredients mixed up really well. You want it to be kind of like light brown. You should not see any more white flour just hanging out in there. Okay. So, see, I mixed in all the flour, all of the baking soda, it's all in there. Now you can go ahead and start adding your liquid ingredients. You will need 3 tablespoons of milk. I have almond milk. It doesn't matter if you have regular milk, if you've got oat milk, whatever milk you have will work. So 3 tablespoons of milk. Then 2 tablespoons of oil. So if you have canola oil, and if you don't have canola oil, maybe you have olive oil or coconut oil, whatever oil you've got on hand. You will need 1 tablespoon of water. That's my tablespoon of water. And 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. If you don't have vanilla, because, I keep running out of baking supplies, or you're running low, whatever, maybe you just don't keep vanilla at your house, you can skip the vanilla. Okay, I got my 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Now, you're going to take your fork or spoon, whatever you have, mix it up again until there's no more loose powder. Kind of just stirring the fork around. Okay. So that's what mine looks like. It kind of looks like wet brownie mix. Now I'm going to stick it in the microwave for 1 minute, 45 seconds. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so while that's going, if you wanted, you could add different toppings to your cake, like whipped cream, you could put some shredded coconut, you could add chocolate chips right into the mug, really however you want to decorate it. And then again, if you want to send us a picture or a video, we'd love to see the cake that you make. I pulled this recipe from an allspice recipe online, which I will link to in the video so you can also read it. So we're just gonna wait, give it about another minute, and we'll see how our cake comes out. All right, there you have it, your mug cake. Enjoy! Hope to see you at a party.